Alright, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to pick up with some calculus here. We're going to be talking about the Maclaurin series. So we're asked to just find the Maclaurin series for the given function. So our function here is f of x is equal to e to the 2x, and a is 0. So a Maclaurin series is just a special case of the Taylor series centered at 0. That's all it is. And the Maclaurin series is not different than, or the formula for the Maclaurin series is not different than the Taylor series, except we just plug in zeros for a. So okay, so for a Maclaurin series, again, it's just centered at 0, so it's just going to be f of 0 plus f prime of 0 multiplied by x plus f double prime of 0 all over 2 factorial x squared plus f triple prime of 0 all over 3 factorial x to the third, and it would just keep going. And is equal to 0 to infinity. And remember, it's just going to be f raised to the n of 0, because we already know what a is, all over n factorial. So that's your Maclaurin series. So let's just take a few derivatives and we'll go from there. Okay, well, first of all, we got to substitute in we need to find f of 0 first. Let's do that. So remember, f of 0 in this case is just going to be 1, because this would be e to the 2 times 0, which is basically e to the 0, which we know is 1. So f of 0 is 1. So let's take a few derivatives. So we'll take a couple, maybe 5. Maybe 4 or 5. All right, so first derivative, use the chain rule, that's 2e to the 2x. Second derivative, that's 4e to the 2x. Third derivative, using the chain rule again, that's going to be 8e to the 2x. And you can just do one more. If we take the derivative in that case, we'll get 16e to the 2x. Now we just got to substitute in zeros. So we already know that f of 0 is 1. F prime of 0 would just be 2. F double prime of 0 would just be 4. F triple prime of 0 will be 8. Our fourth derivative, when we plug in 0, is 16, which means a is equal to 0, which means, and we'll simplify, we'll get 1 plus 2 over 1 factorial multiplied by x plus 4 over 2 factorial x squared. We're going to simplify in a minute. I'm just writing everything down. It's going to be 8 over 3 factorial x cubed. And since we took 4 derivatives, let's keep going. So it'll be 16 over 4 factorial x to the 4th, and it just kind of keep going. And we can simplify it. So our final answer, our Maclaurin series, for this function so the Maclaurin series for this function will be 1 plus, we got to simplify, 1 plus 2x plus 2x squared. Then it looks like we'll get plus 4 over 3 x cubed. Remember, 4 factorial is 24, so that means that we'd have to reduce, and then this would become plus 2 over 3 x to the 4th, and you could technically keep going, but we'll stop there. So that's your Maclaurin series. All right, so that's going to be your answer. Let me know if you got questions. We can talk about it. I'll see you next time.